Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious eggplant recipe that you can enjoy with your yam, with your plantain, with your potato, or also with your cocoyam. Stay tuned as I take you guys along. Let's prepare this delicious, yummy eggplant sauce. Thank you. Guys, let me introduce to you the ingredients. I have my eggplant. You can use the purple one, which is called aubergine. Then I have my tomatoes that are blended with ginger and onions. Then I also have my Habanaro pepper, which is the green one. You can use the red one or the yellow one if you wish. Then I also have my diced onions, this one diced onions. Then I have my meat that have already been cooked. Okay, I have a shaki and a smoked turkey. You can also use any other meat of your choice. I have my dry prawns. Okay, then I have my dry fish. Then I also have my crayfish. Okay, then also I have my seasonings. I have no salt and all-purpose seasoning, and also this is my palm oil. You can use vegetable oil if you don't want to use palm oil. Okay, right now what I'm doing, I'm pouring my eggplant into a clean pot. Then I'll add in my habanero peppers. Then I'll add in about a half cup of water. Then I'll cover it, transfer it into my gas top. Then I'll cook till it is very soft. Okay, right here I have my yam and my two plantain that I will be using for this recipe. Also, I've already washed my yam. Okay, then the plantain, I've already washed the plantain because of the sand on it. You have to wash your yam and plantain thoroughly before you start peeling it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the yam, then I will peel it. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa see the answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Okay guys, after peeling the yam, I'll go ahead and cut it in half. Then I'll add it into a bowl of water. Then I'll rinse it before I washed it. Okay, while I was peeling before I started peeling the yam, I went ahead and boiled my water. Okay, there was water boiling on the stove. Now the water is already boiled. Now I'm going to add in my yam and my plantain. I will add in salt, and I'll cook the yam and plantain till it is ready. Okay, give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Okay guys, at this point our eggplant is ready. As you can see, the difference is already soft. Okay, it's well cooked. Now I'm going to take it off from the pot. I'll transfer it into a clean bowl. Okay, then I'll use my wooden stick to mash it till I achieve my desired consistency. Okay, you can use any other thing to mash your your eggplant. Okay, I don't have the mortar. I'm using my wooden spoon to do this till it is well smooth. Okay, for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I pass in the street with my car, them just they alarm my name. See friends, oh. People will not like me before they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows.
Okay guys, this is the consistency I want. Okay, I like it like this. Then I'll set aside. Then what I will do right now, in a clean pot, I will add in my palm oil. Okay, if you don't want to use palm oil, you can use vegetable oil. Okay, I'll allow the oil to heat up a little bit. I'm not going to bleach the oil. Then I will add in my diced onions. I'll give it a stir. I'll stir it about 2-3 minutes. Then I'll add a little bit of my blended crayfish. Then I'll stir it together for about a minute. Then I'll also add in my dry prawns. Okay, I'll stir it together, also fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Right now, see, I'm adding in the prawns. Then I'll stir it a little bit before I'll go ahead and add in my blended tomatoes.
Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the story like me.
I'm adding in my blended tomatoes with ginger and onions. Then I'll give it a stir and make sure I stir it properly before I'll add in my seasoning. I'll add in my Knorr seasoning, a teaspoon of Knorr seasoning, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Then I will stir it very well. I'll cover it up. Then I'll cook for about 5 to 10 minutes.
They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away. Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me.
Okay guys, this is 10 minutes later. That's the tomato sauce I've been cooking. I will stir it up again. Then I'll add in my meat. Okay, I'll go ahead and add in my meat, and also I'll add in my fish. Then I will stir it up. Then I'll cover to cook for about 5 minutes.
I hope I full level the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I married my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSP for Muselu don't turn to big man. Now waiting all of them they talk now. Now waiting they jama. And when I pass in the street with my car, them just.
Okay guys, I went ahead and added my leftover blended crayfish. Then I'll stir it all together. Then I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is 5 minutes later. The tomatoes sauce is well cooked, okay, which is the base of the eggplant sauce. Okay, it's well cooked. Right now I'll stir it up a little bit. Then I'll add in my eggplant. Okay, I'll add in my mashed eggplant to it. Then I'll stir it up together. Then I would like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes again. Then our sauce is going to be ready. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I really appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime that I post a video. And if you are watching this from my Facebook page, please don't forget to follow my page and don't forget to like my page also. I really appreciate every one of you. I appreciate your love, your support, for always coming back to watch my video. May God bless you all.
If I just walk on my own, people go just criticize. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name winning, no be my own.
Okay guys, this is 3 minutes later. Our sauce is ready guys. As you can see, our sauce is ready. At this point, the whole house is smelling good. Guys, this sauce was so delicious, okay? It was so yummy. Look at it guys. Do you guys like what you see? Are you guys hungry? Are you guys hungry? If you're hungry, bring your plate too, okay? I'm not a stingy person, okay? Bring your plate. I will share. Okay guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. I've tested for salt, the seasoning, everything is okay. Everything was good. This is the end result, and it's time to eat our food. Guys, look at it. Look at the color, guys. It was so good. See, who not like better thing? Tell me, who not like better thing? Now it's time to serve our food. It's time to try. Who cook go eat, abi? Who cook the food go eat now? Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are still watching me, you haven't subscribed, Abba, what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed? Thank you so much guys. Now let me taste my food. Bet you guys, it was delicious, it was yummy, and the yam was so good also. The yam was so nice, it was so yummy also. Now okay guys, open your mouth to open your mouth, let me serve you guys, okay? Let me serve you guys, okay? Let me serve you guys. Thank you so much guys. Open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth. Yeah, it will come. Yes, it was so yummy guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to thumbs up guys. Thumbs up is very important guys. Please hit that like button, and also share. Sharing is caring. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys for your support. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye everyone. See you soon, and stay blessed. Love you.